Hey, it's Hannah with WTI. As a book lover, I was so drawn to this cute little LED book light. I am so in love with this book light. It is absolutely gorgeous. The second I took it out of the package, I was so impressed with the quality of this little light. I think it is so well made and beautiful. I think that the quality of this book is absolutely fantastic. I love the wood on the cover, and all you have to do to turn the light on is just open it up, and it gives you that feeling like you are opening a absolute treasure book. It is so cool. It has 3 different light settings that you can change just by opening and closing the book, with one of them being circulating through the lights. And it is rechargeable, and it comes with its own USB charger, which is so nice and convenient. I love the different ways that you can display this book with it open in a variety of ways. And I just think it is the coolest little accessory to have in your library or on any bookshelf in your home. So if you have a book lover in your life or are a book lover yourself, I think this is the absolute perfect bookish accessory, and that you should definitely get one for yourself. I am completely obsessed with it, and I think you will definitely be too. And that is my point of view.